Okay, get up. Dipset, Joel Santana, Heatmakers. I think this the one right here. Everybody, come on, get up. He's moving again. I'm like, I'm nice. Still pitching, still flipping. Yeah, so come fuck with the boy. I'm still pumping the boy. I'll still dump on the boy. Blue still pump to the boy. I'm Mr. Postman, also Mr. Toastman. I'm yelling, yeah, I'm selling. Hey, I keep my chick going, smash like a motherfucker. Thick lips, hips, tits, ass like a motherfucker. I get big chips, cash like a motherfucker. I don't, no, I won't. Yeah, I explore and cruise, island shores, that's new. Bring the boat out, smoke out, watch the water move. I'm a water dude, jet skis, water pool, surfing her, I'm hurting her. Yeah, like Calabunga dude. This 40 Cali caliber, Calabunga, you bump you like how a bumper do. I'm on the corner, I'm pumping just like a pumper do. What that? Yup, that. Hey, hey, hey. This the jam, yup. Put your hands up and just, I'm Mr. Postman, also Mr. Toastman. Oh man, oh man. I'm Mr. Postman, also Mr. Toastman. Oh man, I'm back. Oh man, I'm back. I'm cracked. Sorry about that. Sorry I made you. I can't let my peeps down. I can't let my seed down. They need me out there. I can't let the streets down. I gotta do it B.I.G. now. I see now. I couldn't. Nope, I couldn't. Plus the ladies love her, plus the babies love her. Could it be I'm from the 80s? They know what I'm up against. Call me a grinder, call me a survivor. Why should I? How could I? No. Plus I'm a sex symbol that'll make your bitch back tremble. Floor shake, bar rock, hard cock. Hit it left once, right twice. Work the middle, stroke her. Then I smoke her.